Hey folks, Chris here with BigCat Ranch. Want to welcome you to the channel if you haven't seen us before, and welcome back if you have. So what's behind me here is our 20-foot sea can that is made into a cabin. This is, it looks very plain on the outside, but I'll show you the inside and you will be impressed. So first of all, just to show how this works, it's the doors are as they came original, and you can lock those, and then there's kind of the bigger door behind that. This is an insulated cabin, so it stays very warm. And you can see the bed here. Yeah, it's a small space, tiny space, but it's utilized as well as we can. Nice little wood stove. Keeps this place amply warm, and too warm sometimes. Has a couple windows, one this side, one on the other side. There's shutters there, so they're not open right now, but works really well. Pine board paneling. And then have a little kitchen cabinet. Oh, and we have a cat. Buddy the ranch cat came for the tour. Buddy likes it in here. So this is a little kitchen nook. Wood stove with a cabinet. Just a very well used space. And then in behind here, like I said, there's a little sink and another cabinet. And then we haven't plumbed it, but there is storage in this area, and it could be a bathroom, a little bathroom at some point. Put our little window there. Yeah, very cute. Very, very usable space. This is a shelf that folds down, so you can put that up. Hey buddy, what do you think of this place? Yeah, he loves it. And it is wired with light. It has lights in it, so it plugs into a generator, and then has circuit breakers here. Little panel. There you can see the insulation, foam insulation, or yeah, it's all been spray foamed, and the lights are sunk into the ceiling here. Yeah, cozy. Actually stays fairly cool in the summer, and it is obviously very warm in the winter too. Anyways, that's an idea. If you're looking to make a sea can into a cabin, that is how we have set up this one. All right, folks, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.